Hi, this is a video on how to remove the LCD screen from a Blackberry 9900. Tools we're going to need for this job are a T5 screwdriver and an opening tool. Right, so the first thing we need to do to remove our LCD is this little black clip at the bottom needs to come out. So we just gently slide our finger along, pull that out. As you can see, we have two screws at either end at the bottom, which obviously both need to come out. Right, so that's both screws at the bottom out. The next thing we're going to need to do is remove this whole key plate at the bottom. So all of this is coming out, so you're going to use your opening tool. But we are going to have to be very careful doing this because there is a ribbon underneath which we don't want to tear or snap. So what you need to do is get your opening tool and try and gently pry it along this bottom edge. Like so, until you just lift up the bottom edge like that, and then we can run it along the sides like so. That's one side up. Now the other side, right hand side, is the side where the ribbon is connected, so be very careful on this side. So just gently lift it up like so, and as you can see, there's the ribbon just there. So obviously that needs to be detached, so if we carefully detach that like so, then obviously the bottom key plate comes out. Once that's out, as you can now see, there are two screws here, which are the screws we now need to remove. Right, so they're both removed. And there are two more screws that we need to get to, but they're hidden under the screen. So what you need to do is get both thumbs and gently slide the screen down, just like that. I'll do that again for you. Just slide it down, and as you can see at the top, either side, two screws which need to come out. There we go, so that's both screws out. So now this back plastic plate obviously will need to come out. We can just take that off like so. As you can see, we're now down to the circuit board. Obviously before you start this process you do need to remove the memory card and the SIM card. So as you can see, we're now at the back of the circuit board. And if we gently lift those two apart, be very gentle because there is a ribbon which you can see just there attaching LCD to the circuit board, so obviously that needs to come out. Gently pull that out. There we go. There's also one ribbon on the back here, which also needs to be removed. so. And you can see the circuit board now detached. Into the LCD screen now, we should just be able to slide down and just pull out like that from the main bezel. And there we go. That's your LCD screen removed. Now, if you are replacing it, the easiest way is just to buy the all-in-one LCD with a digitizer and just replace it. You can buy them individually and do it that way, but you do need, if you are going to do that, you do need to heat up this front digitizer quite a lot and be very careful getting it off without damaging your LCD. But yeah, that's how to remove the LCD screen from a Blackberry 9900. Thanks for watching.